Good morning, y'all. It's the dude in the box truck. It's Wednesday. Rained all night last night. It's wet. I don't think it's gonna rain today, but it's still gonna be wet. It's gonna make everybody drive like crap. We got a Marvin truck for breakfast. Guess I'm gonna go in here and start unloading. Truck's done. Had about half of it to do. Now we're loading up our trucks, going to Lake Oconee, I think Watkinsville and Madison as well. Not sure how many stops, but we'll find out quick enough. Headed to the first delivery, going out to Eatonton. We're gonna circle back around to Lake Oconee and probably hit Madison and then Watkinsville. Might do Madison first though, depends on where the GPS takes us. Well, we decided to hit Madison first. So we're going down the little back roads. About to hit Bostwick. And once again, it's raining. Stop one, the Georgia Sheriff's Association. Oh, I see the building where it goes. All the way down there. Just these four though on a box of screens. Through Eatonton. We here. No, dude, I didn't.
Yeah, that mirror.
I didn't see it, man. I was looking at that dirt hill.
Yeah. Oh, damn, I didn't realize how to watch this stuff. Gonna go viral again? Fuck Chris. I didn't realize how to
Dude, I can't believe I did that.
TC's everywhere on the bike.
I'd have bought that man a whole nother outfit and paid him for a damn shower at Pilot. I promise that. I'd have paid you to get a shower. We would have went to Walmart. I'd have bought you new clothes and everything.
That was crazy.
Dude, Romero was probably, he gonna kill me in my sleep one day. One day I'm gonna be sleeping, you gonna kill me. We gonna think he's part Puerto Rican the way he gonna stab my ass. I feel so bad, man. So when we arrived here, the porta potty was on the other side. I backed in, and if you see that about 10 feet worth of skid marks, I backed into the porta potty on accident, and my partner was inside of it, and he went for a little ride. Luckily it didn't tip, but I feel like ass. Like, for real, bad. But thank goodness nobody got hurt. This next spot, we gotta meet this truck over here and give them some windows. They're gonna take them down to Dublin. Well, we don't have to go to Dublin. I would've though. And the bolt should go. Hang on, we'll just swing it. I'm gonna give you that so we don't lose it.
You can just slide it on.
Just slide it on. Sorry to be putting you guys on a wild goose chase, man.
No, you're good, man.
It took me through Eatonton down this way, and I crossed over Pea Ridge. I was like, wait a minute. Dude buddy said they were coming from Milledgeville, so.
About a 10-minute detour, that's all. But then you get paid to ride around, so right. 6 of them?
Yes, sir.
Why the heck you bring 2 trucks?
We got everything.
Yeah, we got a lot of stuff, man.
We got a lot of
like his little setup with this camera.
Office is the next stop. He got the window, he got the little box. And there's a tube on their truck we gotta get. This thing's long. I'm gonna get all this mud off my boots before I go into this office. They'll be mad at me. Pulling into Reynolds. Hello. There's one. He ain't scared at all. Oh, there's 2. There's one on the hill too. Don't look like nobody's home, does it? They want it on the front porch. I'm gonna go your way. They ain't scared for nothing. In the words of Wheezy, we done been here before. These 2 right here. Greensboro, Georgia. Appreciate y'all joining me today. The rain didn't let up. It's still sprinkling a little bit, but we got everything done. It's a good thing, good sign. It's dude in the box truck. We'll see y'all tomorrow. Thank y'all for watching. Thank y'all for liking. Please subscribe if you haven't already.